The murder case against 5 people arrested in connection with the murder of 2 policemen has been postponed to the 19th of August. The charred bodies of Constable Simon Ntsekeletsa and Sergeant Mujalifa Mulete were found in a police vehicle in some bushes 2 weeks ago after they had gone missing. My colleague, that's Silindelo Masikane, is covering that story for us and joining us this hour on the Midday View. Silindelo, good afternoon. What happened in court today and what details have come out about this case? What do we know?
Well, Bradan, we are outside the Ituiseng Magistrates Court where we did see the third appearance of the 5 suspects arrested in connection with the deaths of those 2 police officers that you've just mentioned. We know that a huge issue around areas such as the Northwest is an issue around livestock theft. Now, it was a brief appearance, Bradan, but what we know in terms of the details surrounding the matter is that these particular officers were just patrolling the area in which is in their jurisdiction, and it seems as though that they came across what seemed to be livestock thieves. That is one of the major issues here in parts such as the Northwest. They proceeded, of course, to try and arrest them and take them back to the police station in Maritsane. However, it does seem as though something happened along the way. They lost communication with their commander, and a day later, their burnt bodies were then subsequently found in a police vehicle. Subsequent to that, arrests were then made, and we know that 4 suspects, that being Benjamin Jacobs, Jeremiah Mongale Rapulane Kikantse, Matthews Modikanele, and the 5th suspect is an unnamed minor. We understand that that minor is around 16 years of age. They then appeared briefly once more here in court, and the matter was postponed for legal representation.
And the 5th suspect being a minor leads me to the next question to say, would they appear in the court with the adults, or because we know that minors are tended to be treated differently by our criminal justice system?
Certainly so. So we had made a media application to be able to broadcast those proceedings, and because of the issue around the fact that minors, there's a precedent that is set when it comes to minors that their identity has to be protected, especially in terms of proceedings such as this, where there is a possible criminal there's a criminal undertaking that's taking place. So what happened was that the minor's appearance was in camera. Everybody had to be taken out of the courtroom when the minor appeared. But when it came to the other 4 suspects, our cameras were allowed inside, and we were able to take the visuals of the suspects, that the other 4 suspects instead.
Yeah, I mean, this murder case involves the killing of 2 policemen. I wonder what the police union has told you. I understand you spoke to them.
Certainly so. We also know, of course, Bradan, that Police Minister Bheki was in attendance at the funeral of these 2 police officers last weekend, obviously condemning the killings, saying that it's just unacceptable that communities can harbor criminals, that they actually should be working together with law enforcement to bring those who kill police officers to book. The police union, the South African Police Union in particular, says that cop killers should receive a very harsh sentence, or should I say harsh treatment by the justice system. Let's take a listen.
As a union, we are saying that the people that are arrested in this case, they must be jailed forever, and they must not even qualify for parole, because what they did is something that even the community doesn't want to have been done.
So the case has been postponed now to the 16th of August, and that will be the next appearance. Do we have an idea what is expected to happen when the accused next appear in court?
Certainly so, Bradan. The matter has been postponed to the 19th of August. That is where we're going to see possibly another 2 additional legal aid representatives for the accused. That was what was stated by the legal aid rep that was in court today, saying that she needs the assistance of at least 2 more lawyers in this particular matter. And we know that there is a possible bail application that will then precede that appearance on the 19th.